Hi, it's Kif Base here, and I've been trying to think of an analogy for Ethereum that might actually make sense to non-technical people, and this is the one that I've come up with. I talked in the previous 3 videos about how there were these 3 layers to Ethereum: the blockchain one, the one that I called the compiler and API one, and then the DApp, distributed application or interface layer. And I think the analogy that works for me is, think of the first layer, the Ethereum blockchain layer, as the water system. So we're looking here at water reservoirs, the pipes that run across the country in order to deliver that water, and the drain system in order to remove the water once it's no longer needed because it's been used for washing or showering or whatever purpose. So that's the layer 1. It's the pipe network and the water flowing through it. And you can think of Ether, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum, as the water, and the other blockchain structures as the pipe network that we have. So then layer 2 is the compiler and the interface API layer, and you can think of that as people coming up with designs for things that use water. For example, a kitchen or a bathroom. You know, a kitchen serves a function that you can prepare food and you need water in the preparation of food, so that gets plumbed in to the layer 1 pipe network. And similarly in a bathroom, that's about being able to have a shower or use a toilet, and again that needs to be plumbed in to the pipe network as well. And then layer 3 is the interface layer. So that's like things like a tap or a shower head or a sink or a toilet or a washing machine. These are the actual bits of equipment that you want to connect into that pipe network in some kind of meaningful packaged way, so that you have a space of value, like a room to get clean, or a room to prepare food, or in industry maybe a room in order to produce chemical products. So those would be the 3 layers then. So I hope that makes sense and adds some clarity to what is going on in Ethereum. And as is always the case with analogy, it's not perfect, but I find it a kind of useful way of getting a handle on these things in the first instance. Hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye for now.